Hi everyone, Oregon Patriot here, and thanks for watching my video. Well, today I'm going to do a product review on the Urban Carry Total Concealment Holster in size medium. So a few things to start off with. Urban Carry talks about their break-in period, and definitely recommend that. That it's night and day difference of when I first got the holster to when after I broke it in, and I gave it a good week. The second thing is, as far as pant size, I would definitely go up a size or two. I wear a size 32 inch waist, and it didn't quite work on that. And I wear baggy pants and baggy shorts, so I went up to a 34 inch waist, and I did that previously with a different holster I used, the Kydex leather holster that you could wear back at 4 o'clock for you right-handers, but for me, being a left-handed shooter, I wore it at 8 or 7, so I went up 2 inches, and this definitely it works well with the Urban Carry concealment holster. As you can see on the table, there's a couple firearms I tested in the size medium. It's the first on top is the Bersa Thunder 380 plus, and that's a 15+1 capacity. And the second one here is the Beretta PX4 Storm Subcompact in a 40 Smith & Wesson, and that's a 10+1 capacity. So let me just share my thoughts on that. Here with the Bersa Thunder Plus, no problem. It's skinnier in the slide than the Beretta, so it was a lot easier to get out of the holster. With the Beretta, it was fine too. The only little thing I want to mention is, see here, this has the snap grip extended right now, and that little extension sticks out of the holster in a size medium. And so when I would draw it out from my pants, it would catch a little. So if I had the snap grip up, it wasn't any problem, or if I used the flush magazine like here on these two, that it worked fine. So the snap grip is up on the left and the flush magazine's on the right. So that's just a little tidbit I wanted to share. If you have this firearm and are considering purchasing an Urban Carry holster, that's just a little thing regarding medium. I'm assuming with a size large, that holster would be not only longer but wider. So if that's the case, then when the snap grip is extended, that should totally cover it with the large holster and shouldn't be a problem. Regarding this holster, as far as standing, no problem. It's very comfortable and concealable. Sitting, it took a while for it to break in, but and then I had to learn how to adjust the holster so that I could sit comfortably. At first it was really difficult, but as the holster broke in more and more, it was easier and more comfortable. The only drawback with sitting is it's near impossible to get out, especially if you're driving. I tried it in my car, and when I'm buckled in, it would take a long time just to try and draw the firearm. I'd have to unbuckle, then lean my seat back and straighten out like I'm reaching something into my front pocket, and then I could draw it out, but it's just very cumbersome to do that. So let me just close with some pros and cons here. Pros, like I mentioned earlier, concealability. 2 is you can use this holster with other brands of firearms. So like with a Kydex holster, it's formed just for a particular model. With the Urban Carry, you can use different models, as obviously I've showed here with the two firearms I have on the table. And the third pro is just it's more comfortable than any other forms of concealed carry I've used. I mentioned the Kydex leather holster, and that doesn't even come close to the Urban Carry. And I have a belly band I use, and that's comfortable, but it doesn't conceal as well. That's why I considered buying, and I did buy, the Urban Carry holster. Some cons on this holster is, one is just you can't wear it with an elastic waistband like on sweatpants or athletic shorts, because you need a belt to be an anchor to the holster, so when you draw it out. And to be fair, the holster is not designed to be worn with waistband type clothing, so it's just a thing you have to consider. Other than that, the other con is I cannot draw this any firearm one-handed. I've seen videos that by Urban Carry that you can, but at this point I cannot. So maybe that'll change in the future, but those are really the only negatives I have. But I'm definitely loving this holster. It has replaced my belly band holster, but I use a belly band when I'm again have athletic shorts on or sweatpants, which I like to wear a lot. But that's pretty much it for the review. This is Oregon Patriot. Thanks for watching.